I want to talk to you today about why use ClickFunnels, and we'll we'll go over here. We'll do a little demo of ClickFunnels. I'm here in one of my pages that I use, and yeah, watch to the end. I'll give you a cool little freebie at the end that you can check out and that I think you'll enjoy. But first things first, let's get to the business of why use ClickFunnels and not one of, I'm sure there's like loads of other ones. I really haven't looked at a lot of the other ones because I'm really happy with ClickFunnels. It works. It does everything you need. You don't need anything else. You get ClickFunnels and you're ready to go. And so yeah. So what you can see here on the screen is, like I said, this is where you build your, this is where you can build your funnels, and this is where you collect your email addresses, which is where the gold is. Russell Brunson said in one of his videos, ClickFunnels, the difference between ClickFunnels and a website is like, a website is like those guys standing at shops like Costco at the door or at the perfume stands that give you little samples. You walk in, they give you a sample. They're like, "Hi, how are you? Welcome. Here's a sample." Blah blah blah. You take the sample or the coupon rather, and you never really look at it again. It's like one touch and you're gone. ClickFunnels is like taking your best salesman that you have, and every person that walks through your door, and in this case comes to your site, gets to sit down with your best salesman and he walks them through the whole process. See, because what's cool is with ClickFunnels, it's like you can make different pages so that once someone opts in here, you can send them to another page. You can send them to a well, you can send them to a thank you page, but you can send them to a video that explains your product in more detail. You can do upsells, you can do downsells. The thing is that with ClickFunnels is the things you promote convert better, and that's what you want. I mean, if you send 1,000 people to this page with the regular the normal website, you might get one person to buy. This way, you might get 100 emails out of those 1,000 guys, and now you have them in your world, so to speak. So you can email to them, you can promote other products to them. This is like what would work. ClickBank, I'm sure everyone knows about ClickBank. Anyway, this is a ClickBank product, but they also have like shared plans. So you can sell someone this thing, and in a few months you promote shared plans, and then there's so many DIY programs there. You can make, like, instead of making one sale out of one customer, you can make 5 up to, I'm sure you can make 10 if you get a little creative. If you get a little creative. So that's the thing, like with ClickFunnels is you get this email right here, and then from there on it's up to you. I mean, you look after your customers. Don't spam them, don't send them a bunch of nonsense. Send them good stuff, and you look after them and they'll look after you. But you need ClickFunnels. Unfortunately, if you were wondering how can I do this so well, is that you're going to need ClickFunnels. There's just no way around it. And the easy thing is you don't need to know any coding. I mean, there was time not that long ago that a page like this would cost you thousands of dollars getting someone to code it. This is literally drag and drop. It's like working on a word processor. Let's try. You just put things in here and take it out. I don't want to destroy my whole page now because it's really not rocket science, so I don't really have to explain all that much to you. But like you can say here, if you go here, pop, 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 there's a video, and then you just put the YouTube link in there. Once it's on the once it's live, then you'll be able to see this video. You can set it to start playing automatically. Let someone click first. There's so many things you can do. Obviously, all these pages you connect to your autoresponder, like GetResponse or Aweber or whatever, and you can build lists in different niches. You can just make hundreds upon hundreds of these pages and just collect emails and build different email lists for different sections. So the other beautiful thing about ClickFunnels is you can literally use it for any business, no matter what business you're in. I would love it if someone can tell me a business that you cannot use it with, but yeah, you can use it with any. You can use it with any business. You can any business you're in. You need leads, and this is how a way to collect your leads. And you can also just make, like, if you just want a regular website, and then instead of paying like hosting fees and all that stuff, is you can just make websites on ClickFunnels. I'm doing it like right now. I'm like working on it before I started this video. And you just make a you just make a regular, you can just make a regular website, and you just connect whatever URL you want to it. If you want if you don't want it to say like here, like ClickFunnels whatever, you can connect your URL to your pages, and just have like a regular web page. So that's also cool. You can have like bunch of pages, bunch of web pages. You can add buttons. You can add, let me show you quickly here. Here, if you go to, let's do this. Let's click here. Say add element. Here's all of it. So you can put headlines, paragraphs. You can insert images, pop-up images, videos, video pop-ups. You can put audio players, Facebook opt-in, button, input, boxes, text areas. There's just so much you can do. Countdowns, timers, logos, whatever. All these share buttons, it's comments, it's just crazy. And literally all you do, say you want to put an image in here, is you go and you drag it and boom, put it there. There you go. And now you just go there to settings, and then you upload the image that you want there. I don't want an image, so I'm just gonna click it out. Yes, I want to delete it. And yeah, there you go. I mean, the other cool thing is that if you would wonder why to use ClickFunnels, is ClickFunnels has on the member side there is just so much training and so much help on the Facebook page. Like, everyone's building funnels, people are helping each other. So it's not just a software, it's like a community. I know it sounds so cheesy, and I hate it when people start with, oh, we're all a family and all that blah blah blah. But with something like ClickFunnels, it's cool to have a Facebook group, because you can go in there and you're like, guys, I'm struggling with this, or I'm struggling with that, and it is amazing how quickly someone will reply to you and help you. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail further about, because this video is not about how to use ClickFunnels. It's more why use ClickFunnels, because I see a lot of people ask, like, what's a cheaper alternative to ClickFunnels? But you don't want a cheaper alternative. I mean, it's it's not even $100 a month, and I mean, it's an integral part of your business. If you have ClickFunnels and ClickBank, which is free, you have a business. So see it as paying, instead of paying thousands of dollars of rent every month in a brick and mortar business, you pay less than $100 a month to have your business. And you can just take ClickBank products and plug it in here and build your list on any you can build a list on any what's the word, subject. I don't know why I keep wanting to say object. You want you cannot build it on any object you want, but you can build pages on any subject you're interested in. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, I'll leave a link down below. It'll give you like 14 days free trial to ClickFunnels. So yeah, there's no obligations. Go 2 weeks. You can use it for 2 weeks. Play around with it. See what you can do. See if you like it. I can almost guarantee you're gonna love it, because it is just, it's easy, it's fun, it's robust. There's there's really nothing difficult about it. And you just build your pages. When you're done, you go save. Just remember to always save, and then you climb out of it. See, and here we're back. So like this one here, you can add steps. I call it steps. You can add pages. You can add 20 pages here if you want. So yeah, I would if I could suggest you something, is I would suggest click down below, go check out the 14-day free trial, and just play with it, and you can make up your mind for yourself. Don't take my word for it. There's a lot of people I see that suggest other programs, but I think 2 weeks is more than enough time to test out something. So yeah, go ahead and do that, and I will see you again in the next video. Cheers, bye.